Hi there, I'm Steve Sanford. I'm one of the senior product managers here at Clearcom. I'd like to talk to you a bit about FreeSpeak Edge, which is our new wireless system. One of the big changes in this product is we're switching from our wireless frequency from 1.9 and 2.4 up to the 5 gig spectrum. That's not to be confused with 5G, with the telephone standards. So move to 5 gig is planning to open up a bit more frequency space. The benefit for the customer of doing this is we actually pass on the bandwidth used at that to give you better audio quality. So the big selling point of FreeSpeak Edge is that it's got 12K audio. That compares to the 3K of your telephone and the 7K of FreeSpeak 2. So you'll really notice that 12K difference. Also, we've kind of developed a really low noise floor on this product, which actually helps the user use these products really well and make sure there's no fatiguing kind of noises in the ear. These belt packs connect into an IP transceiver, which you can have around the installation, and the belt packs intelligently know when they're going out of range to hop to the next transceiver. The transceivers are based on an AES67 IP network, and then they currently route back into the central matrix over an IP connection. A bit more about the belt pack itself. So you've got 4 keys across the top, which are all completely programmable. You've got 4 keys across the front, and then you've got 4 individual level controls. So you've got 1 on each side, and then 2 on the front. We've also got a menu system. The belt pack drops into a drop-in charger. You can see the drop-in charge points there. And the batteries are good for 10 hours. So this product will be shipping fairly soon, I think end of March. That's it. So, it's clearcom.com.